Today we'll be talking about prokaryotic transcriptional regulation, specifically negative inducible. A simple overview of negative inducible is when a regulatory repressor protein is bound to DNA and prevents transcription from occurring. It is negative because the protein is a repressor. It is inducible because normally transcription is turned off and it only turns on in the presence of a small molecule binding to the repressor protein. Here is an example of an operon, which is a mixture of structural genes and transcription control. This is the promoter region, and this is where RNA polymerase binds to the DNA and starts transcribing. The operator is where the regulatory protein is bound and prevents the RNA polymerase from continuing transcribing, and the structural genes are the things being transcribed. Now let's dive into the specifics of negative inducible transcription regulation. First up, we're going to talk about when there is no small molecule present. When there is no small molecule present, the repressor protein is bound to the DNA and blocks transcription from happening due to the RNA polymerase not being able to bind and transcribe correctly. The RNA polymerase cannot bind to where it's supposed to, and then it leaves and transcription does not occur. Now let's talk about when there's a small molecule present. When there's a small molecule present, then transcription will be able to occur. In the presence of a small molecule, it will bind to the repressor, which will cause a conformational change in the protein. This conformational change will remove the U shape from the protein and round it out. This change removes the ability of the repressor from being able to bind to the operator. Due to this, RNA polymerase is then able to bind to the promoter region, and then it continues to transcribe and produce the structural genes. Now we're going to relate negative inducible transcription to daily life through an analogy to make it a little more relatable. You want to go out to a restaurant to eat and have a good time. Your friend, on the other hand, doesn't want to go and just wants to stay home. They are the repressor, while eating out is transcription. However, to ensure that your friend comes along for the fun, an inducer or small molecule is needed. An inducer would be giving your friend $5 to come along to put towards their meal. Due to this inducer, they are now willing to go out to eat at the restaurant, resulting in transcription occurring. And then these are my references, and thank you.